Okay, so from the Carmen Suite, I would suggest to look at the key signature first. It's 4 flats: B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Let's start practice without the grace note. Okay, so. Now go to the next section. And the very beginning, the scale, make sure you practice the correct notes. Okay? Few times, okay? Now we have to add the grace note in there, which makes it much more complex. I will do the first measure, okay? Now I will also go to the full speed now. Okay, so ready, go. Okay, next line. I would highly suggest use the lower half of the bow. So, okay. In general, keep the dynamics. So at the end, you need to practice crescendo part. So start with really soft dynamically.